y'all? We're back with another vlog, and today happens to be Easter Sunday. So happy Easter to everybody. Happy Bunnies Day, Eggs Day, Jesus Day, whatever day it means for you. Happy Easter for you. All right? I'm geeked today because we're back with another vlog. We're back with the TLC. Fuck do you mean? I'm just playing. I'm sorry. Shouldn't be cussing on Easter. I'm sorry. Oh, I thought it was some water in here. We'll be back. I'll catch you at the store.
I'm fucked up about it. Heard you got a boo, heard enough about it. Girl, you half the reason I can't trust nobody.
We're getting Easter baskets. Easter baskets. Easter baskets. I'm gonna stay behind the scenes until I get ready, okay? Okay. No judgment. Ew, that's disgusting. Some malt balls. Yeah, alright.
Fuck that, I'm pulling all where you at. You think I'ma let you go like that? Fuck that, I'm pulling all where you at. Tell me why that nigga think you is. Been with you for years, you the one that got my kid. Who the young nigga that put them diamonds on your wrist? When he find out you used to love me, nigga probably gon' be pissed. Who the young nigga that introduced you to them racks? Who the young nigga that blew them bands up in sex? Who that young nigga that told you watch it and relax? She gon' say my fucking name every time somebody asks. I know you still love me cause you still be checking on my bro sex. And if I moved on, thought that I'd never know. Yeah, I got them bitches, they be flocking there where I go. But it's about you, I'm still waiting like a miracle. Tell that nigga get his own, he gotta go get his own. See his number in your phone, I'ma have to send a drone. Choppers on deck, you know them killers I be rolling with. They don't like to see me tripping on you, so they with the shit. I'm out of my luck. You was supposed to be saving for us. Girl, this shit feels so amazing.
TLC squad, you know what it is. Come on, let's go.
You need to say that all over again.
You get the young little ladies with it, TLC.
Little targets.
Back in this thing like chicken wings.
Okay.
Look.
Ha!
Vloggers first.
You know.
You know we have to focus with it, you feel me? Get me cracking, you feel me? Lex, it kind of look like the screen on your camera is cracked.
It is.
You know I can replace that, right?
Yeah.
You know I can replace anything on this thing.
Cause your mom.
Because we in there like chicken
I've been
wings.
covering the speaker though.
Yep.
This thing. Fresh to death.
I ain't got no makeup on again, but you know.
Happy Easter, happy egg bunny day.
Easter.
Happy resurrection. We're Jesus lovers this way, no shade. To all you non-Jesus lovers. We support anybody and everybody. We don't judge anyone, but we love Jesus this way. So join the gang and love Jesus all the way. Even on any other day besides today. You see what I did there? I'm lame. I
But you know you can come this way if you want to change.
and be
And have a
super
good day.
positive and happy and gay. Gay isn't happy. Oh no.
Bitch.
I don't support that. You're under China's government now, but China says, okay, you're used to, we'll let you use your economy and your government.
You look good. You're glowing.
Call it.
No, you didn't.
The next clue is,
We'll be back when we get in the car.
is good night.
See you soon.
Jumping
Santa Claus is behind us.
Santa Claus.
I don't know. Is that the answer? Yeah. I just ask questions.
Yeah, mid-age.
What's up, y'all? We're back. It is the next morning. We fell asleep on the vlog yesterday. We did a little bit of stuff. Nothing too fun that you guys missed out on anything. Sorry, I had a do-rag on. It's like it's about to be 8 o'clock exactly. We're just gonna finish off the vlog today, if that's cool with you guys. Don't look at my face. I literally just woke up. I'm about to brush my teeth and stuff. I just took my do-rag off. But let me show you guys what we had yesterday on our April Fools. Do you see this? That is what we got for Easter and April Fool's Sunday. Snow!
Sorry about that, my freaking alarm went off as if I'm not already awake. But anyways, like I was saying, make sure that you're getting the front of your top, the front of your bottom, and the inside of your top and bottom. Make sure you're getting all the way in the back. On that tongue, on the top of that mouth. And go crazy. Go crazy on those teeth. Now I'm gonna get dressed. So we'll be back after we get dressed, okay? Say okay, May. Okay.
Alright, it's go time. We gotta go out in the war zone. No, for real though. I gotta go start my car. I had to Tim boot it out the New York way. Oh shit, it's gonna be cold as fuck. I mean cold as bleep. I'm sorry. Look guys. See this BS? Some BS.
I don't know the words.
But anyways, we're back. We're gonna go ahead. Pay attention and focus. We're gonna go ahead and close off this vlog because it's probably gonna be long and it's about nothing but our faces, which is fine. But we're gonna go ahead and close it off. We're glad you guys stayed tuned. If you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you're here and you're not subscribed, go subscribe for us, please. If you want to see more of us. Also,
make sure you click that bell.
Thank you.
Well,
hit that post notification bell right next to the subscribe button, and that'll notify you when we upload. Also, stay tuned. We're probably not going to take a large break like we just did. We had some technical difficulties, and that's what's been keeping us from posting. But like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you check out our social media. And what, babe?
Join the TLC.
Join the TLC. We love you guys. Peace.